Praise the Lord, YouTubers. YouTube, I thank you, YouTube, for giving us this wonderful opportunity to disseminate the word of God. And then I thank my friend Bill Wise, who, through the anointing I received by reading his book and watching his tapes, the Spirit of God released special grace and special anointing on me. When I pray for people, they go under the power and they experience heaven, they experience hell. It's been on and on. And interestingly, a young man, a student of ours, who I ministered to, received such a visitation and visited hell, and he saw amazing things. I will urge you, sit back, relax, and watch this video to the very end. You'll be amazed what he saw. In fact, the young man could not even talk. I had to pray for him before he could utter some things. He was shivering, he couldn't even say it. Please sit back and watch this video to the very end. It's insightful, it is directional, and it will help you. And then it will help the body of Christ, because there are some deep things he saw that I've never seen before, even on the internet. God bless you as you watch this to the end. And I want to instruct you. The young man stutters, he's a stammerer, so be patient with him. Be patient with him. Praise God. God bless you.
Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. My name is Adeormese. I am in SS2. So when my uncle prayed for me, so I went under the power. I was a light from this direction, from my right hand side, just rushed me one. So I fell on the floor. So I saw an image. So I saw an artist funnel. I was falling inside the funnel. So I fell on a very dark place. So as I fell on that place, so I saw a very ugly, and very terror beast. And this was the beast. So,
you mean you saw this terrifying beast?
Yes, sir.
As you fell,
yes, sir.
From the funnel?
Yes, sir.
This is what you saw there?
Yes, sir.
Describe this beast that you are showing us now.
This beast, we twisted on a red thing on his center of his head, with snake coming out of his nostril. With red eye black on the center. With a very ugly looking. It's a long beard.
Okay, he's very ugly looking.
Yes.
Now, what's the color of this beast generally? What's his color?
Very black.
Black beast.
Yes, sir.
Now, I want to ask you a question. Did anybody set you up to say what you are saying?
No, sir.
Did anybody tell you what to say?
No, sir.
Is what you saw you are saying.
Exactly, sir.
And you know if you are lying, where will you go to?
FYI, sir.
So what you are saying is the truth.
Yes, sir.
Are you saying this to please somebody?
No, sir.
Okay, continue your story.
So after that, I went on. That beast was just dragging me. My body was haunting me. There was also pinching me on my back. I don't know who was pinching me. So the demon was just dragging me. It was the only man. So he took me to a place called the Royal Palace of all demons. They wrote it at the center at the doormat of that.
Okay, they wrote that this inscription at the door post.
Yes,
you saw it at the door post.
Yes,
this writing.
Yes, sir.
But you couldn't pronounce the word at first.
Yes, sir.
The day you were giving all the story, you couldn't pronounce the word.
Yes,
what
sir.
happened?
All my face was just. I was vibrating. I was just. Me can never talk the way I'm talking now. I was so afraid. So the demon took me to this place, the Royal Palace of all demons. This place.
So the demon took you to this particular location.
Yes, sir.
So this is like this is what is inscription on top of the door.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is like door handle.
Yes, sir.
Or what?
The door handle. The door handle plus the.
What are these things?
Open.
What are these things?
Chairs.
Look at these are chairs. They lined up chairs here.
Yes, sir. They also lined up chairs. Yeah. Then this place was a pool of blood.
The center here is a pool of blood.
Yes, sir.
What are these things in circle?
Bubbles.
Bubbles.
Yes, sir.
So the pool of blood was bubbling.
Yes, sir.
So there were chairs there. Who were on those chairs?
It was demons, sir.
Do-
Demons was down.
On these chairs.
Yes,
so
sir.
they filled up all these chairs.
Yes, sir.
So the pool of blood was at the center of the chairs.
Yes, sir.
So the demons that sat on these chairs, do you have the picture?
Yes,
Did
sir.
you drew the picture?
Yes, sir.
Can we see the? Can we see the?
This was one of the demons I saw. This was one of the demons that I saw that was sitting on the chair.
So this was. So many of them like this sat on those chairs.
Yes, sir.
Many of them filled those chairs.
Yes, sir.
My goodness, I don't understand. Describe this picture. What are all this?
This is a butterfly.
Like
down
wings?
the back. Yes, sir.
Like wings.
Yes, sir.
These are wings.
Yes, sir.
My God.
With a twisted with a.
These ones are twisted.
Yes, sir. Twisted ones.
Okay.
With very very ugly looking with a very terrifying thing on their hands.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what's the color again of this beast?
Black, sir.
Okay, before this recording, you have not gotten black
No,
color to color it to finish your job.
Yes, sir.
So you have not finished what you are doing.
Yes, sir.
So everything here is black.
Yes, sir.
So what's the color of the eye?
Red, sir. Red with a very black thing on the center of the eyes.
Okay, what are these things that are sticking out here?
Horns, sir.
Okay, these are horns.
Yes, sir.
Twisted horns.
Twisted horns. Bent.
Okay, tell us. So what now happened?
So after that, so I saw a place called the Royal Palace of the Demon. So one of the demons that I showed just now just came. We just carry a cup. We used to fetch the blood. They will go and give a beast called Lucifer. This one. 8-headed demons.
So hold on. So that one that you showed us now would take a cup,
Yes, sir.
fetch some of those bloody liquid
Yes, sir.
that was bubbling,
Yes, sir.
and then he will go and feed it to who?
These 8-headed demons.
And you say this one is Lucifer.
Yes.
How do you know it's Lucifer?
Because it's 8-headed.
Okay, you gave it that name.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you just called it Lucifer.
Yes, sir.
But you didn't see anything written like Lucifer.
No, sir.
You are the one calling it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this one, where was this one sitting that they gave him? Did you show us that place again? Where was it sitting?
This one was sitting down. This place. This one was sitting down. This place.
Okay, this one was sitting down at the head here.
Yes, sir.
But you didn't draw the
No,
chair
sir.
now.
No, sir.
Okay, so he was sitting down somewhere here.
Yes, sir.
So which means this one was their king, sort of.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the demon was fetching the bloody liquid to give him to drink.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so so where was he drinking? Which mouth was taking the where was
All
he
of
feeding?
them.
How?
This place was drinking the blood.
Okay, was feeding this mouth?
Yes, sir.
Only this mouth?
All of them.
Okay, he was giving all of them,
Yes,
all the mouths,
Yes, sir.
the cup to drink.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
So after that, that same place that I showed just now took me to a place. Called the me call that place a ocean of fire. So that place was very wide. So I saw my late dad, my mom, my junior brother plus my auntie husband plus my auntie. So I was shivering. So 3-headed beast was coming. So the beast now saw me that beast was not calling me fool. The beast was not calling me fool. Was not calling me you are a fool. So I was now a very big sword now came. Now it now separated two of us there.
So
Me now
hold on, the beast was calling you a fool.
Yes, sir.
He was shouting. What kind of voice? Okay, he called your name.
Yes, sir.
Called your name, and then he called you a fool.
Yes, sir.
And then suddenly a sword came.
Yes,
You
sir.
saw a sword.
Yes, sir.
Was there a hand to the sword? Was any hand holding the sword?
I'm not sure, sir.
We can't remember.
Yes, sir.
Or you're not sure.
I'm not sure, sir.
But you just saw a sword.
Yes, sir.
And what did the sword do?
He divided two of us.
It separated you
And the beast.
and the beast.
Yes, sir.
So what happened after that?
Me now went to the left. Then me now went to the left. The lightest place. So the beast now went.
Okay, you now went to where there was light.
Yes, sir.
So the beast now went to the spot where there was darkness.
Yes, sir.
So the light, the sword separated you and the beast.
Yes, sir.
All right. But you say you saw your relatives.
Yes, sir.
You saw your father, Your mother. And those ones are dead already.
My junior brother is not dead.
I know your father and your mother.
Yes, sir. This one is dead.
Those ones are dead already.
Yes, sir.
You saw them there?
Yes, sir.
What were those ones doing?
They were crying. They were calling me to help them.
So they recognize you?
Yes, sir.
They recognize you?
Yes, sir.
They were calling you, did they call you by your name?
Yes, sir. They were calling me Ede, my son. Ede, my son. Come
Oh,
on.
they were calling Ede, my son.
Yes, sir.
Come and help me.
Yes, sir.
Whatever, but you say you saw some of or your relatives who are not also dead.
They were also calling me, come and help me too.
Those are, so I don't. So you saw your parents who are dead, and then your relatives who are not dead.
Yes.
All of them in here. You
Yes,
saw
sir.
all of them there.
Yes, sir.
And then what now happened after that?
So, a sort came and guided me and the beast that was calling me that time.
Was that the end?
Yes, sir.
That was the end.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. We have put this together because we were warning the church. Listen, I have no pleasure. Normally, I'm not a public person. I'm not a public speaker. I have no interest being on public. It's not my thing. It's not my thing. But I think because of the urgency, we have never been this. The road has never been this slippery. Neither has the time been this short. Jesus is giving warning, and I'm echoing the warning to the church. Please, this is not a setup. We didn't program this. Nobody's paying for this. This is not a setup. I urge you, run away from your evil ways. God bless you.